Walking on Water. Chapter 2. It looks so simple. Come in the boat with us, Josie, Dad called. I'll just watch from here, Josie answered. She didn't want to go near the water. It was full of mud, weeds and more mud, and things with claws hiding in the mud. Josie could swim as well as anyone, but she liked to be able to see the bottom with. Dad shrugged. Maybe next round. It was all right for him. He was good at everything. Why couldn't he see that it wasn't so easy for everyone else? Josie wished she had stayed home. But then she wouldn't have seen Lena. Dad pushed the boat out into deeper water, then jumped in with Lena and Steve. Carlo was floating in the water, ready for his turn. Lena threw the tow rope to him, landing it just behind his head. He leaned back and grabbed the handle, bringing it around in front of him as the boat moved away. When the rope was taut, the engine roared and they took off. Carlo seemed to just pop out of the water, up onto the one ski. Boat and skier headed clockwise around the lake. Carlo wound his way across and back, zigzagging behind the boat. He sent up walls of spray as he turned, some higher than his body. Josie watched as the boat shrank into the distance. After a while, the boat came back, getting closer and closer. It headed straight towards the beach and zoomed past her as it turned. Carlo dropped the rope and glided in, sinking gently into the knee-deep water. Blast, he said. I wanted to step out onto the shore. He slapped his hand down on the water. Next time, I'll do it next time. Now it was Lena's turn. She was already wearing her wetsuit and life jacket. As the boat came around and stopped, she jumped into the water and grabbed the rope. Carlo shot the ski out to Lena. She spent a minute adjusting the foot binding, then signaled thumbs up to Steve. She too popped out of the water as soon as the boat took off. As she turned, she made water sprays that were even bigger than Carlo's. It wasn't fair. They made it look so simple. Why couldn't they try to make it look a little bit hard? Then Josie mightn't feel so bad. She didn't care if she couldn't make sprays like Carlo and Lena. She just wanted to be able to stand up on the skis. The boat turned. It was a tiny green dot, with walls of spray on one side, then the other. Josie's heart began to thump. She was running out of excuses. The boat sped straight for shore, turning at the last moment. Lena let go of the rope and skied right onto the beach. She stepped out of her ski as it stopped on the sand. She was laughing and almost out of breath. Your turn, Josie, said Dad. He was holding up a wetsuit and a life jacket.